So these are the CMF Buds Pro 2, and today we are going to be unboxing them. Let's get into it. Okay, so the CMF Buds Pro 2 are true wireless earbuds. Let's look at the specs. So they've got USB-C charging, high fidelity sound with 11 and 6mm dual drivers. They support the LDAC codec, 50 decibels adaptive noise cancellation, 6 microphones. It's got the smart dial, which can be used to adjust volume and whatnot. They also have a spatial audio effect and can support 2 devices at once. So they've got a 460 mAh battery. Yeah, so let's unbox it. And I've gone with the orange one because that was the only one in stock. Right, there we go. And we can just pull these out like this. Oh, and it's upside down. Okay. Well, there we are. Those are the earbuds themselves. Since I have a Nothing phone, I already have the Nothing X app installed. So there we go. I love that slider. The smart dial. So in the box, of course, we get the earbuds themselves. We get a quick start guide, and then I assume the medium air tips are already installed, but this has this smaller large tips as well, right here in this bag. And we also get a USB-A to USB-C cable, a short one. I'm not sure if I need to change the air tips. Let's pop this back in. Let's unwrap the cable. It is quite a nice orange, actually. It's less obnoxious than I thought it would be. So there we go, let's get them paired. Yeah, connect. So it works with Google Fast Pair. There we go, it's set up. Okay, let's put them on and do a quick test. Oh, forgot this seal. Let's get that seal. Okay, let's do a quick test with the default settings. Let's open the Nothing X app and... Okay, so there's a firmware update, so let's do the firmware update. Right, let's do this firmware update. It says update requirements. Please do not make or receive calls. I can't stop myself from receiving a call. Unless I put the phone in airplane mode. Okay, update successful. So let's try... So I'll set single press to play and pause. Double press, probably skip forward. I'll turn on spatial audio. Right. I'll just mess around with the EQ for a bit. So there's not quite as much separation as there is on my Sony headphones, of course, but they're headphones. For earbuds, the sound quality is pretty good. But yeah, my full review will come later, of course. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.